Inutos ng Korte Suprema ang pagbalik ng PhilHealth funds na transfer from PhilHealth to the Office of the President or the National Treasury, at ang Supreme Court ay pinabalik sa incumbent Finance Secretary Ralph Recto. At kahit maganda naman yung desisyon ng Supreme Court, ang dami pa rin naghahanap ng kasalanan. At ito ay sinasabing si Recto as Finance Secretary ang may kasalanan. Yung Supreme Court decision sa PhilHealth, may naratibo yan. At si Executive Secretary, dating Finance Secretary, ay sinabing he is not criminally liable. And hindi naman complicated yung decision na yan. At of course, unless gusto ng tao na maging komplikado, nagiging komplikado ang isang simpleng bagay. Yung pag-transfer ng pondo ay hindi desisyon, hindi personal desisyon ng isang tao. At hindi rin inimbento ng Secretary of Finance noon at yung Executive Secretary ngayon na si Ralph Recto, dahil ang Bicameral Conference Committee ang nagpasok nito sa budget sa General Appropriations Act nung araw, hindi itong 2025. At yung lahat ng proseso na sundan, hindi isang tao ang nag-oversee niyan. Pumayag ang PhilHealth, ni-review ng OGCC o yung Office of the Government Corporate Counsel, at clear ito ng GCG, at ang sabi ng COA, walang issue. And of course, on the part of the Finance Secretary, good faith matters dahil wala naman siyang intensyon to violate a law. Actually, he was following the law. And because he was following the law, ang sinasabi ng ating Korte Suprema, there is no criminal liability on the part of the Executive Secretary. Because 1, he did not profit. 2, he did not steal. 3, he did not divert the funds for his personal gain. And of course, finally, he was duty-bound to follow the law and implement it. At very clear ang desisyon ng ating Korte Suprema, hindi krimen ang pagsunod sa batas na ginawa ng Kongreso.